Hi guys, hi, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, what's up? Hey, I've gotten the groove, gotten the vibe. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I hope that you guys have been well. I know it's been a while, but this is an intro to a video. It's not even part of a video, but like it's just an intro, so I have like snippets. First of all, forgive my bad manners. My name is Lynette, and welcome to this amazing channel where we talk about lifestyle, travel, food, restaurant reviews, and cooking and the like. Everything nice, you find it here, and all of those conversations that are edifying in every way. Anyway, so first of all, I bought a microphone. I just thought you guys should know. And yeah, it has a clip, but I prefer to hold it because lately that's the trend. And yeah, I think it's a trend to hold the microphone like this, even when you know it has a clip that you can actually just put here. Anyway, if I ever invite people for conversations on this channel, I guess I'll just give them the mic too, to like clip. Anyways, how have you guys been? I've been well. I know I've been lost on here, and now I'm just coming back to you guys like, hi, what's up? It's been a minute, you know. But I think as a creative, there comes a time when life forces you to take a break from the things that you love and then just come back slowly. If you even follow me on TikTok, I also took a pause there. I think the only place where I've been a little bit more active has been Instagram. Yeah, but I think even as a creative, what matters is you falling and coming back up, like taking a break and finding your mojo again and just returning. So yeah, I've spoken a lot. But enjoy the video, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that every time I post a new video you are able to see it. Anyway, in this video you'll see a few things that I've been up to. Nothing too serious, just going about places, you know, Sundays that I spend at church. What else is there? Going out, I think a bit of cooking and the like. So yeah, enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hi guys, so I came to work over the weekend and I'm in Bali, and this is Endiro, the one in Bali. Whenever I come here, I like to check their coffee and also eat their pokebs, and because they're really nice, really nice. So let me walk out. Hi guys, welcome to Sunday in my life. certain something in my life. Anyway, I drove to church, and so at our church we have this video is going to be a part of a video. So yeah, just telling you what I get up to on Sundays. So on Sundays I come to church really early. That's if I've traveled to like Kampala. On that weekend I come to church quite early, and like by 8:30, because we have discipleship class. Yeah, so that's what we have in the morning. So from 8:30 to 9:30 we have discipleship class, and then after we have church from 10 to midday. Yeah, I pray from Kingdom Influencers Network Church. So if you're around Kolono and you'd like to join us for service, we have service every Sunday at 10 at Cornerstone opposite Protea Hotel. Thank you.